On today's video, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of our brand new Fruity Pebble You're Behind barbecue rub on some chicken drumsticks. Let's go. Okay, so we got chicken drumsticks. We are gonna cook on the Vortex. They've been sitting out for 4 hours in the blazing hot sun. So I would say they're ready to roll. I wanna introduce our brand new rub. This is an exclusive. I've been playing with it for 10 years and I'm ready to finally release it. Today, we got You're Behind Barbecue Fruity Pebble Rub. I pulled her off at 127. Our rub looks nice and stayed on, looks fantastic, nice and looks like the rainbow. Time to eat it. Wait, hold up. Let's not go. Cut. Okay. 10 years wasted. $5 million, it's wasted. It's all gone. April Fools.